Hello, I'm Enric.
And today we're going to do tactical spaghetti.
Oh!
First of all, we need spaghetti and bacon. And finally, we need an egg.
Now we're going to need water.
So now we are going to fill it with water.
And now carry the water carefully to the stove.
And now we're going to boil the water.
Wait for the water to start boiling. And remember that you should not play with food. Once the water is boiling, we put the spaghettis in the cooking pot.
And now we add some salt.
Be careful, you don't want to add too much salt.
We remove the water. I will crack the egg. Now I will add the egg and bacon.
Not getting your whole kitchen dirty when doing this is pretty helpful.
And you can always add some extra flavor.
Don't make me destroy you.
Finish.
Never doubt that you're the one, and you can have your dream. You're the best around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around, and nothing's gonna ever keep you down.
That's all for today. Goodbye.